Welcome to our comprehensive roundup of the best wet-dry vacuum cleaners for 2025. Whether you're dealing with muddy footprints, pet messes, kitchen spills, or simply want to keep your hard floor spotless, we've selected the top models that deliver exceptional cleaning performance for both wet and dry tasks. Let's get started. At number 1, we have the Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro. This all-in-one cleaner vacuums, mops, deodorizes, and disinfects floors in a single pass. The self-propulsion system makes cleaning effortless, while its built-in interactive tutorial guides you through all features and cleaning modes. The S7 Pro features Auto Mode with sensors that detect dirt levels and adjust power automatically, Ultra Mode for deep cleaning and deodorization, and Max Mode for stubborn stains. It operates quietly at just 65 decibels and provides up to 40 minutes of runtime with advanced filtration and self-cleaning brush roller. Overall, the Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro offers exceptional versatility and performance. While requiring dirty water tank emptying after each use, its comprehensive cleaning capabilities and self-propulsion technology make it our top choice for most users. Next up, we have the Shark HydroVac Cordless. This budget-friendly 3-in-1 cleaner vacuums, mops, and self-cleans at a fraction of premium model costs. It features innovative dual action, vacuuming when pushing forward and washing when pulling backward. The Freshen mode provides gentle mopping that works safely on both hard floors and low-pile carpets without oversaturation. The HydroVac offers decent runtime for its price range and includes specialized brush rolls that can handle various debris types. Its cordless design provides excellent maneuverability around furniture, while the lightweight construction ensures comfortable handling during extended cleaning sessions. The self-cleaning function adds convenience, though the brush roll requires 24-hour drying between uses. Overall, the Shark HydroVac Cordless offers impressive performance for the price. While requiring manual brush roll drying and occasional manual cleaning when the self-clean function isn't perfect, its reliable performance and affordability make it an excellent entry-level choice. At number 3, we have the Samsung Bespoke Jet. This versatile stick vacuum transforms into a wet-dry cleaner with its spray-spinning sweeper attachment, perfect for mixed flooring homes. It includes up to 7 different cleaning heads, motorized heads for carpets and hard floors, pet tools, and the standout wet cleaning attachment using reusable or disposable antimicrobial pads. Primarily excellent for traditional vacuuming, the wet attachment proves invaluable for spill cleanup and muddy footprint removal. Its lightweight cordless design provides exceptional maneuverability with modular attachments for different cleaning scenarios. Overall, the Samsung Bespoke Jet offers outstanding flexibility for mixed flooring homes. While wet cleaning isn't as intensive as dedicated mopping machines for heavily soiled floors, its combination of excellent vacuuming and convenient wet cleaning makes it ideal for comprehensive home cleaning. At number 4, we have the Dyson V15S Detect Submarine. This premium model combines Dyson's renowned V15 Detect vacuum with an innovative submarine mopping head. Built on one of the best Dyson vacuums, it delivers exceptional performance for both vacuuming and mopping with strong suction and advanced attachments, including the laser-equipped fluffy head. The submarine mopping head handles everything from muddy footprints to wet spills while picking up fine particles missed during vacuuming. Its lightweight construction maintains premium build quality with advanced filtration and unrestricted cordless movement throughout your home. Overall, the Dyson V15S Detect Submarine delivers premium performance with innovative technology. While the unsealed dirty water tank can occasionally spill when removing the submarine head, its all-round performance and lightweight design make it excellent for comprehensive cleaning needs. At number 5, we have the Roborock F25 ACE, a powerful wet-dry vacuum engineered for hard floor cleaning. It delivers 20,000 PA suction with a 450 RPM roller system that prevents tangling, making it perfect for pet owners and families with long hair. As Roborock's first wet-dry vacuum, it combines their expertise with innovative features like a zero-tangle roller and a 180-degree lie-flat design that reaches under beds, sofas, and low furniture. For convenience, it offers self-cleaning with hot water, 194 degrees Fahrenheit hot air drying, and advanced solid liquid air separation for optimal performance. The ergonomic, lightweight build and cordless operation ensure easy maneuverability, while the water tank system places clean water at the base and dirty water at the front for practical use. An LED display provides real-time updates on cleaning modes and maintenance needs. While not suitable for carpets, the F25 ACE excels on hard floors, handling wet and dry spills with ease and keeping the roller clean for consistent performance. Finally, we have the Ecovacs DEEBOT T20 Omni, a premium robot vacuum with an innovative dual-pad mop system that applies real scrubbing pressure for deep cleaning. The mop pads lift automatically on carpets or in vacuum-only mode, making it ideal for mixed flooring. Its self-maintaining base station uses hot water to wash the mop pads and manages dirty water disposal, reducing manual effort though requiring occasional emptying. The T20 Omni also delivers strong mapping capabilities, advanced sensors for obstacle avoidance, and excellent battery life for whole home coverage. Its dual-function design allows vacuuming and mopping in a single session, offering true hands-off convenience with customizable schedules and zone-specific cleaning modes. While it shares the common limitation of robot vacuums in handling edges and corners, its superior mopping power, automation, and intelligent design make it an excellent choice for households seeking effortless floor maintenance. Remember to consider your home's flooring types, budget, and cleaning preferences when making your choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next video.